In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and connect a Slack bot to N8N 5 minutes. Start by opening api.slack.com or apps. Create a new app from scratch, give it a clear name, and select the Slack workspace where you want it to live. If your workspace requires admin approval, you might need to request it. Next, open the OAuth and permissions section in the left sidebar. Scroll to bot token scopes and add only what you need to get started. Chat, write to send messages, channels, start read and groups, read to read channel info, and app mentions. Read to listen when someone mentions the bot. You can adjust scopes later, but adding the minimum helps keep access tight. Scroll back up and click Install to Workspace, then Allow. Slack will generate a bot user OAuth token. Copy it and store it somewhere safe. Treat it like a password. Now switch to N8N. In your workflow, add a Slack node. Under Credentials, choose Create New, select the OAuth method, paste the bot token you just copied, give the credential a descriptive name, and save. In the node, pick the channel you want to post to and write a short test message. If the bot isn't in that channel, invite it first from Slack so it has access. Run the node to confirm the message sent successfully. To receive events from Slack, add a Slack trigger node in N8N. The node will display a unique webhook URL. Copy that URL. Return to your Slack app settings and open event subscriptions. Turn it on and paste the webhook URL into the request URL field. Wait for the green verification check. Then, under Subscribe to Bot Events, add the events you need, such as app mention for mentions and message.channels for public channel messages. The events you choose must match the scopes you added earlier. Save your changes and reinstall the app if prompted. Back in N8N, activate the trigger or enable the workflow, then test it by posting in Slack. You should see the trigger fire and the event data appear in N8N, ready for whatever automation you build next. And that's it. You created a Slack app, set the right scopes, installed it, connected it to N8N with a secure credential, sent a test message, and wired up a trigger for incoming events. You're now ready to automate Slack conversations with N8N. If a step doesn't work, double check scopes, reinstall the app, and make sure the bot is in the channel. Also confirm the webhook URL shows as verified.